Balance reinforced doors so they protect against intrusion while still allowing every family member to exit quickly and intuitively during an emergency. Start by choosing reinforcement hardware that prioritizes interior quick-release operations such as single-action deadbolts or thumb-turn bolts mounted within easy reach of all household members. Fit door jamb reinforcement plates and long strike bolts so the door resists kick-in attacks without adding exterior-only locking complexity. Use hinge-side reinforcement like longer screws and steel hinge plates to improve strength while leaving the interior latch mechanism fully operable. Install a door viewer or wide-angle peephole and pair it with a chain alternative that releases easily from the inside, or omit chains that require dexterity under stress. Practice a simple escape procedure with every occupant, so unlocking the reinforced lock is muscle memory, and post a small laminated instruction card near the door if someone has limited mobility or cognitive challenges. Finally, test each reinforced door during drills to confirm quick release under low light and simulated stress, so you can adjust hardware height or type if anyone struggles. A common mistake is adding multiple exterior-only locks that slow interior exit. Replace or relocate any device that needs a key to unlock from inside, and switch to interior thumb-turn options. Another frequent issue is choosing decorative hardware that looks solid but fails under force. Solve this by selecting rated reinforcement plates and using long screws to anchor into studs. People also sometimes forget mobility needs during emergencies. Address this by setting hardware at reachable heights, creating alternate exit routes, and rehearsing with family members who use mobility aids. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who specialize in balance, security, and safety upgrades, and lets contractors find work from nearby clients. We host a discussion community where we and our users exchange real experiences, ask questions, and share practical tips on safe door reinforcement and emergency egress.